everybody, and welcome to Friday, October 15th. We made it to Friday, folks. Woo woo. Your fundraising actually does not end today. Surprise, you guys. Your fundraising will actually end Tuesday, October 19th. So Ms. Garcia and the Avid department have extended our fundraising until Tuesday, October 19th. All money is going to be due to ASB. Okay? Today, I had you guys present your Nuestra Historia presentation. I got to see some wonderful projects. It was great. For our Fun Friday activity, I had you guys explore and look at some fun Hispanic heritage games that are associated with the community, some games that have a historical past, and just, you guys got to have a fun Friday, okay? Your homework, your Nuestra Historia project was due already. Your Avid introduction script, again, is going to be due to me next Tuesday, okay? All right, guys, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I will help you guys. Other than that, I will see you guys in class. Bye.